Now, you may want to go ahead and turn off your WhatsApp from actually going through and automatically saving photos and or videos that are being sent to you on your WhatsApp, on your iPhone or Android. Now, doing this is actually very basic and it really doesn't take too much time. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is you want to go and open up your WhatsApp application. Now, when you do that, you'll come into a page that looks something like this. Now, what you're going to want to do here is you want to go and tap on Settings. So click on Settings right there, and you'll then come into this specific page. Now, what you're going to want to do here is you want to go ahead and click on Chats. So by clicking on Chats, it's going to take you into this page. Now, what you're going to want to do here is you want to go ahead and basically see this little option that says Save to Camera Roll. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and make sure this is off, because you'll see right here, it'll say automatically save photos and videos you receive to your iPhone's camera roll. You want to go ahead and toggle this off. Now, what's going to happen now is that whenever somebody sends you any photos or videos, they are no longer going to be downloaded automatically. You will instead have to go through and actually click on the video to actually download it, and then the photos will then be basically loaded and saved inside of your Photos application inside of your iPhone settings right here. So that is basically that. It's a pretty basic process. Now, you can also just go through inside of your Photos app inside of your iPhone or Android. You can just select the photos that you want to delete. So you can just click on them just like so, delete them. That's another option you have. But that is basically how it's done. It's a super basic process. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.